This is how to set up a basic 13 by 13 bouncer. You're going to place it where you want with the roll coming forward. The blowers are going to go to the back, so make sure your power source is to the back, and the front will be where the kids are going to come out, so where you can supervise them safely. You're just going to give it a quick flip over. No need to be perfect because the blower will do the rest of the work. Pull out the stair, flip over the other side. Again, this is a 13 by 13 bouncer with no slide attached. If you had a slide attached, it would be slightly different, but same basic concept. We're gonna kind of zoom in here. And again, at this point, it's taken about a minute. Important that the strap is on the inside of the lip of the blower, and then pull as tight as you possibly can. We also take the secondary strap and tighten it around the blower again, just for safety, which we'll do in a second. The second air chamber, you want to make sure that you tie as tight as you can so no air comes out. And the strap, I think, is underneath the unit. So maybe we won't show you that, but basically take the extra strap and tie it around. Therefore, you have absolutely no way that that's going to slip off. Turn on the blower. If it is extremely windy, make sure that you spike at least one of the front corners prior to. There's a secondary strap Rick's going to put on there now. And while it's inflating, make sure all your children are away from the area, pets, dogs. Also make sure the area is clean of debris prior to setting up, so no rocks, little doggy poops or anything like that. And preferably set up on grass, so that way when the kids come out of the unit on the stair, they're coming out onto grass. They should be coming out feet first, but entering on head first. No one should be sitting on the stair at any time. It's only for entering and exiting the unit. In a unit 13 by 13, you should have a maximum of 6 children at a time, like sizes. If you have older kids, you want to maximize them at 4 and never have big 13-year-olds or older in with smaller kids, or even 10, 11, 12s with 2 and 3-year-olds. From there, you're going to spike the unit, but for this purpose, we're not going to do that because A, we're not set up on grass and it's just a demo. If it was going on tarmac, we would make sure that you use sandbags. The spikes go in all 4 corners, which are located on the straps. And it is mandatory that the spikes and or sandbags are used at all times. Thanks so much, and thanks for renting with Carnivals for Kids at Heart.